So much data, so much noise, so many screens. Sometimes, don't you just want to escape? Today, we're not just reviewing diecasts. We're talking about digital escape. We're diving into worlds where the rules are different, where imagination reigns, and where these tiny vehicles represent so much more than metal and plastic. Welcome to Escaping Reality, where we explore how fictional worlds help us bridge the technological gap between the mundane and the magnificent. And our chariots of choice? The legendary Tomica Millennium Falcon and Think about our world. The digital divide isn't just about who has internet. It's about how much of our lives are governed by digital technology. From self-driving cars to smart homes, our physical reality is merging with the digital. It's often cold, logical, sometimes overwhelming. But then there are these. These aren't just toys. They're tangible links to fictional worlds. Worlds born from digital media, video games, and epic sci-fi films. These are our media escape vehicles. When we see them, we don't think about our traffic jams. We think about Kessel runs, rainbow roads, and impossible adventures. They represent a different kind of digital experience. Let's start with the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy, the Tomica Millennium Falcon. This diecast isn't just detailed, it's a miniaturized portal to Star Wars. A saga built on groundbreaking special effects and digital storytelling. This ship, in particular, embodies rebellion and adventure, a stark contrast to the structured, predictable digital systems of our everyday. The craftsmanship here for a Tomica diecast is incredible. From the quad laser cannons to the intricate plating, you can almost hear Han Solo complaining about the hyperdrive. This is the ultimate symbol of escaping galactic tyranny through sheer guts and a bit of luck. It reminds us that even with limited resources, extraordinary things are possible. It's a testament to the power of fictional narratives to inspire hope and imagination. Now, from hyperspace to the Mushroom Kingdom, meet Dream Tomica's Mario Kart Mario. This isn't just a character on a kart. It's pure, unadulterated video game escapism. For millions, Mario Kart is the ultimate digital playground. No real-world physics, no traffic laws, just banana peels and blue shells. This diecast perfectly captures that playful energy. Mario's determined expression, the vibrant colors of his kart. It's a physical reminder of countless hours spent laughing, yelling, and competing in a fantastical digital world. It's a literal vehicle of digital joy that transports us away from spreadsheet deadlines and into pure, competitive fun. This is how we bridge the digital gap, by embracing the joy and creativity that technology can bring.
I've been burning, fever in my soul, love's a poison, taking all control, can't escape it, every beat's the same, only you can heal this crazy pain. Oh, I need a cure, I need your touch, baby your love is never too much. Save me tonight, doctor, fix my broken heart right. Doctor, doctor, hear me now, give me love, show me how. Write the medicine in your eyes, take the love is my sickness, you are my vow. Don't let me fall. Doctor, you're the cure for all. Doctor, doctor, hear me now. Give me love, show me how. Write the medicine in your eyes. Take this pain and make it right. Oh, the doctor, hear me now. Give me love, show me how. Write the medicine in your eyes. Take this pain and make it right. Oh, the doctor.
So, whether it's escaping the Empire in a galaxy far, far away, or dodging piranha plants on an impossible track, these diecasts are more than just collectibles. They're symbols of how fictional worlds, delivered through digital media, offer us a vital escape. They remind us that while technology can sometimes feel overwhelming and divisive in the real world, it also builds bridges to incredible realms of imagination and pure fun. Which fictional vehicle is your ultimate digital escape? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of diecasts and pop culture. See you next time.
忘れるたび思い出す